Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You open the phone's clock app now and tap the Alarm tab. This gets you straight to creating an alarm. Once done, grant notification and sound permissions so the alarm can ring even when the screen is locked. Make sure Do Not Disturb allows alarms, otherwise your alarm may stay silent. If your phone asks for battery optimization exceptions, accept them to ensure the alarm triggers reliably overnight. Now tap the plus or add button to set time and repeat options. You now set the time precisely. Scroll or type the hour and minute and choose AM or PM if needed. After that, select a distinct alarm tone and adjust volume. Choose vibration on for silent scenarios. Next, configure repeat days for weekdays or custom schedules, add a clear label so you know why it rings, and set snooze length. Once configured, preview the sound. This confirms that volume and tone work together. Finally, save the alarm so it becomes active immediately. You toggle the new alarm on and visually confirm the next trigger time on the list. This verifies everything is scheduled. Then test the alarm by setting a quick 1-minute test. This confirms sound, vibration, and whether Do Not Disturb or Battery Saver blocks it. If it fails, check app notifications, battery optimization, and D&D exceptions. Allow the clock app to run in background. As a last resort, restart the phone and recreate the alarm. This often...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.